Good morning, welcome to 3A's Academy for English, and today I am going to deal with reported speech. Very important topic for classes 10th and 11th. So you should know basic rules that how, where, when you should change the tenses, or what all changes are taking place when you are changing the direct into indirect. So that is reported speech. Alright. So reporting verb. For an example, said, asked, told. All these are reporting verbs. So these reporting verbs have to be in past tense. Alright. जो सबसे पहली चीज है जो आपको आनी चाहिए या you should know, that is the present tenses changes to past. Alright. So first we will be dealing with the first rule, that how to change the direct into indirect. In between I will be telling you about the punctuation marks also, because many a times you are doing mistakes in that and your marks are deducted. Okay. So a few basic rules we are going to deal relating to direct and indirect speech, and also punctuation marks. Fine. So the very first thing, present indefinite changes to past indefinite. So present indefinite may we use the base verb. Alright, write, play, all these things we are using, and that base verb or V1 changes to past tense, that is V2. ठीक है. तो एक छोटा सा यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया है, जैसे do and does. ठीक. Say suppose I am writing, she said, I write letter. Okay. तो write क्या हुआ? First form of the verb हुआ. When I will be changing that to past indefinite, that will change into V1 will change into V2. Alright. Example है, she said that. You have to add that. She said that she wrote letter. She wrote letter. So here you should know all the three forms of the verb. Otherwise your answers will be wrong. I wish to tell you here very clearly that when you are dealing with any questions, anything to be written, you should be particular about the form of the verbs, because on that only the marks are given. Okay. Next, I have given here example. She said I am happy. She said that. Indirect में आपको क्या लगाना है? That. She was happy. Fine. Next, present perfect changes to past perfect. Here you should know the structure. Structure की कौन से tense में कैसा structure होता है? Then only you will be able to change. So present को indicate करने के लिए have है. Perfect को indicate करने के लिए been है. Alright. So present perfect changes to past perfect. When you are changing, you have to keep in mind singular, plural also. That is other thing which you have to be very particular about, whether the subject is singular or plural. That way. Fine. So they told me we have been to Boston. They had been to. So they told me that they had been. Have changed to had. Present changes to past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present को indicate करने के लिए is am are है. If we are talking about auxiliary verb, present को indicate करने के लिए is am are and verb in its ing form. So definitely when it will change into past, children, it will be was or were. Was या were plus ing form. So I am playing guitar. Raman said I am playing guitar. So it will change to Raman said that he was playing guitar. He was playing guitar. Further in my lecture I will be explaining you how the persons also change. The first person, then second person and the third person. So here Raman is third person singular, and this I is changed डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. तो सब्जेक्ट क्या है? रमन. सो रमन इज अ बॉय एंड दैट इज वाई प्रोनाउन चेंज हो गया फ्रॉम आई टू ही. I hope you are understanding. Further also I will give you the chart that will be very simple for you to understand. Easy also. Coming to the next, that is present perfect continuous, that definitely changes to past perfect continuous. So present को indicate करने के लिए we have, been को indicate करने के लिए been है, and continuous को indicate करने के लिए ing फॉर्म है. जहां भी कंटिन्यूअस होता है बेटा वहां पे ing फॉर्म लगता है. सो प्रेजेंट को हैज या हैव, परफेक्ट, बीन, कंटिन्यूअस, वी इन इट्स ing फॉर्म. वो चेंज हो जाएगा. हैज और हैव विल चेंज इनटू हैड. एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. अंजना टोल्ड हर मदर, I have been studying since morning. Fine. So here I have specified since is used for the point of time. कब से वो पढ़ना शुरू करी, ठीक है. And for is used for the period of time. Period माने duration. Alright. If यहाँ पे वहाँ she might have told instead of morning she might have said 2 hours. तो वो क्या हो गया बेटा? Duration. तो वहां पे for लग जाता. So since is point of time and for is used for the period of time. कैसे चेंज होगा वो देख लेते हैं. अंजना टोल्ड हर मदर दैट शी. सो अगेन अंजना इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. वी आर चेंजिंग प्रोनाउन अकॉर्डिंग टू इट. सो प्रोनाउन आपका चेंज होता है एज पर द सब्जेक्ट. इज इट क्लियर? शी हैड बीन स्टडिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. फाइन. नाउ कमिंग टू द पास्ट टेंस. पास्ट टेंस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 टेंसेज हैं जो चेंज होते हैं. I'll tell you how. Past simple changes to past perfect. तो ये ध्यान में रखोगे कि when we am talking about past simple it is V2. Alright. And when I am talking about here it is had plus V3. This you have to keep in mind. यदि आपका ये गलत हो जाता है, if it is mistaken, then no marks allotted because your verb has to be correct. Fine. Doctor said he died in the night. Doctor said he died. So died अपना V2 है बेटा. Alright. So how will it change? Doctor said that he had died. I told you had plus V3. So आपको V1, V2, V3 का concept clear होना चाहिए. Fine. Died in the night. Next. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. So past continuous को indicate करने के लिए we are writing was. We write was, were and we in ing form. Was singular के लिए, were plural के लिए. And past perfect continuous को indicate करने के लिए we are adding had, been, then ing form. This is how it is changed. So Anil said I was reading a novel. Anil said that he had been reading a novel. This way. Fine. So these are the only 2 changes taking place when you are dealing with the past tense. Alright. तो past ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि simple past already past perfect में change हो गया. Past continuous changed to past perfect continuous. So that is why past perfect and past perfect continuous don't change. They remain unchanged. देखो I have written past perfect and past perfect continuous don't change. It is very important. यदि आपने उसको change कर दिया then it will be wrong बेटा. So please listen carefully. I have given one example. They said we had written the answers. तो had written क्या हुआ? Past perfect. पास्ट परफेक्ट है, पास्ट को इंडिकेट करने के लिए हैड, परफेक्ट को इंडिकेट करने के लिए V3, चाहे वो प्रेजेंट हो चाहे पास्ट हो. ठीक है. सो वी हैड रिटन द आंसर्स. ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच में है विद इन डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स. इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के लिए मैं कहना चाह रही थी कि व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स, पहले जब एंड होता है तो पहले फुल स्टॉप देंगे, उसके बाद इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स डालेंगे. ऑलराइट. इन द बिगिनिंग इन्वर्टेड कॉमास का के बाद जो पहला वर्ड है इट हैज टू बी कैपिटल। ये पंक्चुएशंस याद रखेंगे, अदरवाइज आंसर्स ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स होने से एक्सप्रेशंस में मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाते हैं। So they said that they had written the answers, so no changes. They had written the answers. So past perfect and past perfect continuous. If I say past perfect continuous, how you are going to? Had been writing. They said that they had been writing answers. Alright. So that will remain same. No changes. So don't you worry, I will be writing all this information, all the details in my description box. If still you have any difficulty, please feel free to ask and clear your doubts. Happy learning.